What's up, guys? In this video we're going to talk about affiliate products that sell themselves in a very easy way to get started with affiliate marketing. Okay, now I guess you could say that this is probably like it has more steps involved in it than just like spamming your link all over the internet, which is a great way, I guess, to get started and to get clicks on your links, but that's more of like a long-term strategy because you're not making the case for them to sign up for whatever the affiliate product is immediately. So we're going to be promoting ClickFunnels, and the way we are going to be promoting ClickFunnels is a little bit different than how most people do it. Most people are like, hey, sign up for ClickFunnels, it's really great, it's amazing, you can, make sales pages and landing pages, and it's the best, and it'll change your life, and oh my god, wow, it's like, whoa, so cool, right? They pitch it very hard. Okay, we're not going to be pitching it at all, okay? The way we are going to get people to sign up for ClickFunnels is by essentially offering lots of stuff for free, and in order to use this stuff for free, oh, by the way, you have to sign up for a ClickFunnels account. Okay, now I use this strategy with my social media marketing business in the following way. Basically what I do is I send out an email that looks like this. This is pretty much the exact email that I send. And I say, hey, I want to do all of your social media marketing for free. If that sounds good for you, let me know. Oh, and by the way, I give you free Facebook ad templates and custom landing pages, and I manage your entire campaign for you, and I choose the target audience. I basically do everything for you from your account. Does that sound good? And people are like, okay, sure, 14 days for free for doing something that I've been meaning to do for a long time. That's step one. Now, what's the benefit of this? Number one, I'm not pitching like, you don't have to pitch hard when you're giving something away for free. Like, I'm literally saying, like, hey, take this stuff for free. Do you want it? No? Okay, bye-bye. Like, other person, do you want it? It's very easy. So number one, the benefit is that I could potentially actually get them as a client for social media marketing, which is really cool. I can charge them, like the cheapest that I charge for that is $500 a month to manage their Facebook campaigns. I would love to get $500 a month to create and manage Facebook campaigns when I have like literally hundreds of templates for stuff like that, and it's not going to require any too much thinking on my part. That's great. I would love that. Okay, now even if they don't sign up, right? Let's say we go for the 2 weeks and like they totally like use me and abuse me and kick me to the curb, like some whatever, and they take all of this hard work that I've done and all of my free materials, and they say thanks, buddy, like see you later, like thanks for all the help, cancel, block, like done. In order for them to receive my help, I tell them that they need to set up a ClickFunnels account so that I can transfer all of this information over to them. Okay, I say, all right, now in order to, we use ClickFunnels to design the landing pages, so you are also going to need a ClickFunnels account to import it into your account so that we can give it to you. Okay, now that might have a decent success rate if we just started with that. But we don't just stop there. What we say after that is that normally ClickFunnels will only give you a 14-day free trial, but with my link, you'll actually get a 30-day free trial. Okay, so make sure you use my link, because even afterwards, if you decide to stop like with me and you want to like keep going and you want to just tinker with Facebook ads on your own, you can still have 2 weeks or 16 days or whatever it is to continue messing around with ClickFunnels. Okay, and it's really cool and it's blah, blah, blah. And then basically what happens is, like, let's say I start managing the campaigns for them, right? Like, let's say I send, this email out to them, and we start working together. Basically, after that, on like during that time period, I'm going to be sending them every single day, like, information about managing Facebook ads. I'm going to send them free courses on designing landing pages. I'm going to send them like free ClickFunnels products, right? I'm going to send them like maybe 1 out of 3 emails that I send them is going to be like, 2 out of 3 will be like free training, like, hey, I just found this article, I thought you might like it, right, about Facebook ads. And then 1 out of 3 is going to be like, hey, like, I'm not sure if you're interested, but there's this really cool like 30-day course that's happening right now called the OFA Challenge, or the One Funnel Away Challenge, where the owners of ClickFunnels put on this like massive 30-day challenge that thousands of people are participating in, and they will actually teach you to build your own sales funnel inside ClickFunnels, so you'll like make bazillions of dollars and your life will be complete. I can send them stuff like that, and it won't seem like I'm spamming them because I already have a relationship with them. I already essentially have them as a client. Like I've got them already, you know. So like when I found this strategy, I was kind of very excited. Like the light bulb just went off in my head. And the cool thing about it is that a lot of people will say yes. You know, a lot of people will just be like, "Oh, you'll do it for free? Okay, great. All I have to do is sign up for this account that I also get for free. Okay, great." You know, it's almost like too easy. So that's it. You guys are welcome to steal my strategy. I personally use this totally awesome tool called PyGambot, which is on this VPS that is connecting right now. But it's a contact form submitter where I send out, you know, thousands of messages every day to businesses through their contact page, where they can, like, let's take a look here. This should be going. Yeah. See, so this is 100,000 right here that's going out. You know, potentially some of those people might want to sign up to have a phone call with me and, you know, turn into a client, right? So that's what it's all about. Don't be shy to work for free. Like it's a good thing. You know, and it's only 2 weeks, and that's it. So that was my video on affiliate products that sell themselves. If you guys have any questions about affiliate marketing or ClickFunnels or PyGambot or anything I went over in this video, leave me a comment. I'm also doing free coaching for 2 weeks as well. Once again, the free 2-week trial. So if that's something that you're interested in, you want to get some one-on-one help from me for 2 weeks, where we'll hopefully make you some money in 2 weeks so that you can escape the rat race and come chill with me in Thailand and get, you know, my ass beat by little Thai people in the ring. Do that, you know, hit me up. Let's make it happen. Peace.